everyone, this is Azhar Khan from G Center. We are starting soon our workshop, Achieving Communication Effectiveness. We have so many sponsors here for this program. I can show you here. We have a sponsor for Batsman Tea. We have a Connecting GTA here. We have VPI Solutions. G Center SJ71 is our sponsor. We have our sponsor Dharam Catering Services. We have Muslim Children Funds of Canada. And also we have here Life 100 Mr. Taryn, who is here too. So there are so many sponsors here. We are waiting for our audience. I know most of the children are finishing school at 4:30 and they are running. So if you're getting my message, please come soon. Our keynote speaker, Catherine McKenzie, our so many other Toastmasters here for the speeches, and especially Catherine McKenzie is here to support you. Thank you. And if you are looking this message, please come soon. We are starting pretty soon. Thank you so much.